Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Traveloholic and now I am back to the ship and many of my friends and relatives are asking me to make a video about life at ship. So today I'm going to make a small video and I'm going to show a detail about my ship, like overview. So if you have not subscribed yet my channel, the Traveloholic, please subscribe it and give me comments so that it will inspire me to make more videos. So let's go. I'll show you the overview of my ship. So right now I am in a tanker ship. There are many types of ships which are sailing in our oceans, like bulk carrier, dry ships, container ships, tankers, gas carriers. So right now I am in a tanker and it is a crude oil tanker which carries crude oil from one place to another. There are many types of tankers also, like those ships which are carrying chemicals, they are chemical tankers. Then there are product tankers like petroleum, diesel, which we use in our home. These all we carry in product tankers. And this one is a crude oil tanker. Basically the जो कच्चा तेल होता है basically, जिसको हम लोग refine करते हैं to make petroleum products. So we are carrying crude from one place to another place. So right now I am at navigation bridge of the ship. We are at anchor now, and from here we navigate the ship. Basically you can see many instruments are here. And as a second officer, this is also my workplace. Here my responsibility at ship is to make passage plan and to plan the passage of the ship from one place to another place. And this instrument you can see, this is ECDIS, Electronic Chart Display Information System. Nowadays we use electronic chart in place of paper charts. Paper charts are slowly getting obsolete. Paper chart is also important, but now this ECDIS is taking over the paper chart. So this is basically a display which shows you chart in an electronic form. This is my ship's position. So this is called radar, and this instrument shows you the ships which are approaching to you. And by using the instrument, by seeing the targets, you can take action when you are moving or when you are at anchor. If some ship is approaching to you, then accordingly you need to take action so that it will not collide with our ship. This is engine panel, from where we give the engine movements. And this is steering, and steering. When we are at like mid of the ocean, ships always run in autopilot, but near the port we have to steer the ship using this steering wheel. So basically this is the navigation bridge of the ship, from where we navigate the ship. This is the ship library, different type of books are here. The chart table. Here are also some instruments. And this is called GMDSS, Global Maritime Distress Safety System. Actually this is a communication system which we use during emergency. If there is an emergency and we need to communicate, like if the ship is sinking or some emergencies happen on board ship, then we use this communication system, which is directly attached to satellite, so it is always 24 hours available. And this is captain's, you can say, kind of office. He checks his mails from here. So basically in ship there is a watch system, like we are 3 officers, second officer, third officer, chief officer and captain. So we 3 officers, second, third and chief, we have to do watch 24 hours in bridge. So like third officer watch time is morning 8 to 12. My watch time is as a second officer 12 to 4. Then comes chief officer 4 to 8. So our watch is divided like this, 4 hours watch. So now I am going outside the bridge, and this area is called bridge wing, outside the bridge. This is the deck of the ship. and you can see some pipelines going through over the deck, and through these pipelines we load crude oil. Below this deck we have big tanks, and into these tanks we load crude oil. And just below this bridge wing you can see one boat. Small boat is the lifeboat of the ship, and you can see this area, no? This is called muster station. यहाँ पे circles बने हुए हैं. So in case of emergency everybody has to stand here, and we will take head counts, and so that we'll make sure that everybody is present, and then captain will give us instruction what to do next. So this area is the muster area. So after this short trip of the bridge we are now going down to the other areas, and I'm going to show you the other areas on this ship. So this alleyway is the officers' alleyway. All the officers' rooms are here in this alleyway. So as we go, this is the smoke room. This is like a recreation room for the officers. This is the recreation room. We have a big flat TV, music system, and many games are here, like this dart and all. So we also have a PlayStation. So if somebody likes to play video games, can play also. So from here we will go down to the crew lobby, where all the crew cabin is there. This lobby is for the crew. All the crew cabins of the crew rooms are here. Just below this deck we have our mess rooms. Mess room, cargo control room, and other places. Let's go there. So this is the officers' mess room. We have two mess rooms in this ship. One is for the crew and one is for the officers. And this one is for the officers. Here we take lunch together when we are off duty. Crew mess room. So this is the mess room for the crew, where we takes their dinner and the lunch. And there is also access for the galley, where the chief cook makes food and it's locked. Part of the ship is called cargo control room. Basically this is a crude oil tanker, so whenever we do some cargo operation, loading, discharging in the port, we do from here. We control all the cargo operation from here. It's little complicated. You can see this line diagram. All the pipelines, everything, all the valves, everything is controlled from here. These gauges and all. So all the cargo operation, everything, loading, discharging, everything is controlled from here. So if you are coming to a tanker, then you have to work here for the cargo operation, and it's a bit complicated, but you will learn as you do the operations. So it is a cargo control room of our ship. Part of the room is crew recreation room. Here also we have many. This is the dart. Like we have a big flat TV here, music system, PS4. So if somebody likes it, you can play games also. So basically this place is for the relaxation for the crew. Also when we arrange onboard parties, we do it here only, in this area. It's a big room, and whenever we arrange some parties, like New Year party or anything, Christmas, then we do here only. So this is a gym area. So this is a full-fledged gym in our ship. One TT table. So if somebody is a gym freak, he can do gym also. Fitness freak. This area is for the fitness freak people. And also this TT table. This is the hospital room. This hospital is also under me. My responsibility is to take care of the hospital also, as a second officer. So this is the hospital of the ship. We have enough medicines here. So if something happens, somebody gets sick, so we can admit him here, and we can get some treatment from doctors via email, and we can just give him the medicines. We have all the medicines here. So this is the ship's hospital. We are going down to the engine room of the ship. This is the engine room of the ship. This place is the engine room of the ship, the heart of the ship. This is engine control room. This is the engine control room where our engineers control the engine and everything. Engine is the heart of the ship. Without engine you cannot move. So from here they control the engine, main engine. They give control to us, and then from bridge we give command to the engine. Actually all the machineries controls are here, and our engineers control everything from here. Main engine, then your generators, AC of the ship, everything. So this is engine control room of the ship. We are going outside in the deck area, and this is that live boat which I have shown you already. This is called life rafts. It is also used for when there is an emergency. We can this life raft become a small boat kind of thing, air cushion boat, and from here if there is an emergency we just board in the small boat and we can go away from the ship. And this area is the muster station of the ship, which I have shown you from the bridge wing. Here in case of emergency you have to stand here. We'll take the head count, and then captain will give you the instruction what to do next. So this place is for the emergencies, so that nobody will be missing in case of emergency. A short tour of my ship, and the last thing is remaining is my room. So I'm going to show you my room from here. So we'll go inside and then I'll show you. So let's go. So this is my room, second officer's room. These are the boiler suits I'm hanging here. This my laptop, a little bit messy, but it's okay. So everything is here. So we are now at the end of the video, and I've shown you a little bit about my ship, a little bit detail in the life on board ship. So if you like this video, the small tour of my ship, then do subscribe my channel, the Traveloholic, and give me suggestion, like it, share it, and also tell me how to improve my contents, so that in future I'll bring more videos, more interesting videos. So I'll see you later with a new video in my channel, the Traveloholic. So see you soon.